Welcome to this series on becoming GenAI-Native tech writer. In this episode, I will focus on content lifecycle management. Most documentation teams are great at creating content. A very few are good at managing what happens to it after it is published. The gap is where the documentation goes stale. The document development lifecycle covers every stage: plan, create, review, publish, maintain, and retire. In the traditional setup, the last three stages are always underfunded and under-resourced. Article gets published and forgotten. No one flags when the feature changes and the articles no longer match the reality. Article retirement decisions are based on gut feel, but not based on content performance data. A GenAI-Native tech writer treats the full DDLC as a managed system, not as a checklist. AI can monitor your published articles, cross-reference against your product change log, and surface the article that need review. When the product update ships, you can prompt the AI to identify all the article that references the changed feature. That used to take hours of manual searching, now it takes seconds. On the retirement side, AI can analyze your article traffic, last modified date, and search data together. It gives you a ranked list of articles for archiving, so the decision is based on evidence. With an MCP server connected to your knowledge base, these insights do not stay in the chat window. You can action them directly, updating the metadata, flagging the content for review, or deprecating the outdated content at scale. Documentation debt is real and it compounds silently. GenAI not only helps you to create the content faster, but also helps you to keep the content you've created honest. This is what a full lifecycle approach actually looks like.